ocean, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow. A river could be rising on the mountains, climbing high enough to see the sky, to light up all the colors of its motion, leave every obstacle behind. I promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the light, get a little glimpse of my emotions. Yeah, I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow. Always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow.
So the boys are going with their dad, and I am still here doing laundry. I'm basically cleaning everything in the house because I just want my house to be like super spotless. I'm gonna clean my cabinets. I'm gonna clean my cabinets off in my kitchen. That's my next task. And I'm about to start dinner, which I'm making fish and French fries for dinner. Yeah, I'm making fish and French fries for dinner, y'all. That's what I'm gonna make. Ashley already finished her class. I'm just washing everything. Y'all know I'm gonna wash the couch cushions. I'm washing everything in the house, okay? I got a little bit of dishes in the sink, y'all. Just a little bit of dishes. I gotta clean this mess over here that I got over here. I got a mess over there. What I'm about to do is season this chicken. I'm my chicken. Season this fish, y'all. I'm about to take it out of the wrappers and season it. I'm taking it out of this and putting it in here, and I'm gonna season it. So let me get the. What the heck happened to the knife? To that knife. Oh, here it is. So let me get the knife and go ahead and cut this. start cutting. I'm gonna put it on this side so you guys can see. Let me put it in there. Yeah, some of these, I still got to let it thaw a little bit more. Yeah, I said I'm gonna make some fish and some fries because it's gonna be something quick and it's not gonna be something that I have to spend a lot of time making. And that helps me a lot when I don't have to spend so much time making food, you know. So this fish gotta thaw out a little bit more before I start seasoning it. I'm cutting this stuff all wrong, y'all. So all the cooking experts, all the knife experts and stuff, I'm sorry if that triggers you. But hey, I'm just a regular degular human being trying to make it in these YouTube streets and other avenues too, not just YouTube. And I will. And I will. I'm gonna keep speaking it into existence, y'all. I'm gonna keep speaking it into existence, and when it happens, I'm gonna praise God even more. I'm gonna praise God and my ancestors even more when it happens. I'm telling y'all, it's some great things about to happen. So what I did, I took a little small nap. I did a lot of laundry, which I did a laundry video for y'all today also. So I've been doing a whole lot today. I haven't been sitting on my booty for 2 days. I've been doing a whole lot. And I'm about to start cleaning off this shelf, y'all. I'm going to show you what it looked like before, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all what it looked like after. I'm going to show y'all what this shelf look like. It look a mess, so don't judge me. I got stuff everywhere on here. Looking a whole entire hot mess. Stuff everywhere. But I'm about to get that together right now. I'm going to come back when I get that together. All right, guys. So we ended up having fish for breakfast. Yeah. It's for breakfast instead of dinner. And we have grits over here. We have eggs and hash brown. All right. If you guys hear my kids in the background, that's what's going on. All right, guys. I'm going to start right here. I got this haul from Walmart, guys. Yes, it's grapes. I got some Cool Ranch Doritos. I'm still not done with doing my nails, y'all, so don't mind me. I got caramel and cheddar mix. I wanted to try these out and see how these are mine for myself. Yes, I get stuff for myself. I got these Yoo-Hoo drinks. I got apples. I got these Tostinos pizza rolls. I got this bag of salad cucumbers. I got this mini deep dish cheese pizza. I seen these on Meadows Family Crew 6 channel. Her name is Jennifer, by the way. I'm gonna put her channel in the description. And her husband has a channel too, y'all, called D Bama Rock. I hope I said it right. Meadows. I have some turkey lunch meat. I got these these bathroom tissues to add to my stock, so I can have stuff stocked up. I got these Harvest Sun chips. I got this Reese's. This is for me. Yes. Okay, son. I got these dried and sweet cranberries salad topping because I'm making salad tonight. I'm gonna tell you the rest of what I'm gonna eat. I got strawberry, lemonade, Minute Maid juice, fruit punch, grape punch, watermelon, grapes with red grapes with seeds. Y'all always buy I don't buy seedless fruits. I don't do that. But anyways, I got this these fresh corn that I'm gonna make tonight. I got 3 packs of steaks. that I'm gonna make tonight for us. I'm gonna make this heart of romaine salad tonight. I got these 2 packs of all natural. Okay, I got these 2 packs of all natural turkey breakfast meats. I'm sorry for Aaron in the background, y'all. I got these 36 counts of eggs. I got these deep dish pizzas for for the kids to eat for snack one day or lunch or whatever they want to do. I got 2 packs of these thick sliced chicken bologna, which Aaron really loves. I got 2 packs of these turkey sausage. I got these for Ashley. She really loves these flaming hot onion rings. I got this raspberry lemonade for Aaron. Sweet Baby Rose barbecue sauce. This is for Aaron, mango lemonade. Me and Aaron really like all these Tropicana juices. So I always get these. The pineapple mango splash. I got this Simply lemonade with strawberries. Really good, y'all. You should try it out. I recommend you guys to try these out. I got Tropicana strawberry peach paradise. I actually have 2 of those. I already showed them that. Okay. All right, over here we got the French onion sun chips. We got the Crunchy Munch caramel popcorn. We have peach sliced peaches. We have like, let me see, 1. And we got a cocktail. 2 sliced peaches. Twizzlers. 2 of these great value vegetable oils. This is second cocktail. Let me see how many I got each. I believe I got like 6 each. Peaches. I think I got more peaches than fruit cocktails, y'all. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, that's how many of them I got. Okay. Over here I got 2 of these orange juices, y'all. I got 2 of these these strawberry apple sauces. It's a 6-pack. I got 2 of these taco shells. I actually got 2 of these French onion sun chips. We really love these sun chips in the house. We really love them, y'all. So we always get them. And I want you guys to try out Walmart's market size lemonade. It's some really good lemonade, y'all. And I got this 50-pack of fruit. Like these are like fruit snacks. I got a 50-pack. They already broke those open. And Aaron wanted me to show y'all his salad, y'all. He loves salad. He always have me buy his salad when he go to Walmart. Not the small one, the big one, y'all. And anyways, that is it for my haul, y'all.